Même juste dire comme ça que bon faire un petit vidéo aujourd'hui que moi tout ça me fait le matin me lever but I don't know they just faire encore pour expérience encore si nous même la femme connaît si nous pas même si me connaît si nous voulons plus que ça pas faire nous m'ca faire nous plus que ça comme ça.
Oups. Bonjour tout le monde. So now I'm bossé pour me garder no bonjour. On fin brete. Ah c'est bonjour. Moi je faire banana sauce foie. Those dogs. Chien sérieux. Those you know. I don't want to put it right here for me. I was just. But they already take the stuff that I was supposed to take out. They nice. See that? This. I don't think it's easy to pick up in camera like this. Catman. That can't be. But let's find one. Qui can't be. Some guy won't do no much shit. Oh no. But les gens genre comme ça. Like comme un petit plastique. Pas que ça vient sortir pour les gens. Well, just utiliser un là-dedans. Mais c'est pas vrai. Así, but si mon savait si si on n'a plus qu'au programme de jouer avec ça il faut bref les ça il faut dire avant ok, ça c'est tout le bagage que je vais utiliser pour mettre pour ça. Qui était pour mariner, qui était pour mettre dans la sauce. That's it. All the things that I'm going to be using. So, attends là. All the things I'm going to be using. I'm missing one. Poivre. So. Je vais utiliser ça pour marier vraiment. Je vais marier la avec un petit quart, qui marier la avec anything but un petit quart. This part. Bam. Nous avons besoin qui va les jours pour mettre dans piment pour me connaître si tomber devant j'ai pour me chercher pour. So, c'est jours pour me gagner. Just over time, even recently, by manger on goût. So I'm saying, you know what? I gotta use those bamboozles. Okay? 7. So, pour ça là, je finis avec ça, je juste besoin de laver. Well. Bam! Ça, c'est tout season que je mettais dans tout le monde. Dash, which is the green top. Complete seasoning. And that is a dash also, but the fait le fin. Mais ça, c'est rouge là. Ça, c'est un dash. Ça, c'est jaune là. Et ça, c'est paprika. Épices. Well, lately I've been cutting myself. The water is boiling. Se nou yon kon kes ki moun lakay mwen, bon just fe sa miyem ver. Paski nan bagay sa fet la moun fe pancake wap.
Mas ba ang ligyan ito sa sangkos? Ano ganito? Soy sauce sa sangkos.
I have to put some water in there somehow to get it cooked. I'm gonna put it too low so you can just cook slow. And it's done. Yeah, come on, we're gonna work with that.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, baby, good morning.
Can I ask something?
Good morning.
My teeth's about to fall off for 20 seconds.
Yesterday, while I was sleeping, you told me that your teeth was falling off. I remember.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Mom.
Or somewhere else, des veggies, c'est tout. So I did all that. I did that behind the camera. I did not show you guys. That's the sauce how it came out. And then that's my juice. And I did put something in there. I can show you guys how to make the ice again like that also. If you guys want to know, let me know. And that's my lunch. And then
Manger a tellement pris un peu le temps pour que oublier c'est breakfast c'était pas lunch. Monsieur bah mal. Ok, so mais quand manger a sorti, so on va manger là et puis mal bien pour me sortir pour m'aller dans Walmart. But I don't know lose kunya me do bal Walmart me madam.
this is my mini.
Yeah, this is my mommy. She's my best, and she's
Where's the son?
and
Go get your son.
and mommy gave birth to me.
I did? I didn't think so.
C'est ça là chaque jour fait me connaître c'est moi qui parle. Jeudi a été il était arrivé lundi, il fait manger ça c'est l'aime de commencer après.
Actually, we're going to fix my bathroom. Like, they in it. We're going to fix all that. Fixing all this. This is a disaster. So, So far as disaster, speaking about disaster, yes. Disaster.com, and disaster. I have to work. I'm gonna do both at the same time. So let's get it started. Here's what I'm gonna use to fix the stuff that under the thing. I don't know if it will be enough. So I'm going to clean this book. I didn't went up there and dust everything down. So let's just finish mopping so we can finish and get out.
This looks like...
Oh wow, you look beautiful.
Really?
Yes. Ok, ça c'est tout fait avec dans la toilette, moi. Enfin, t'es cleaning. That. Toilette là, toujours garder semblé un bagay qui clean every day, but li va clean. So, mais comment garder kounya là? Yes. Here we go. Manger un bas là, mettez tout petit bagay yo. Shampoo pour yo. Savon liquide pour yo. By cheveux pour you, blah blah blah, and all this, so on and so on. So that is my shower. There is a shower na pour dire aussi j'en belle. That's just on Amazon. I'm gonna take that one in here, which is I never use. Don't know why. And that's it. And this is my little. Forget the name. Don't worry about me. Clean. Yeah. Here we go. What the? Stand your ass up. Bam. And that's it. C'est ça déjà. So it's my little thing. That's it. That's it. And that's it. Deixa essa não aqui. Et puis, voilà. My camera. Bye.